Hi guys, hope you're having a good Friday with the market closed. I thought I'd do a quick video on CLR, which is a stock I took a position in on Thursday, so yesterday. I came across this nice channel that you can see marked between the two red lines. And if you guys are looking for a good swing trade, this might be an option for you. I'm trying to swing trade a little bit more just because I've been doing so much other work and things that it is just easier for me to buy and hold at the moment. So this one looks like an ideal candidate, so I took a position in here. On Thursday, I think if you look at my broker, I got 26.53, just a couple of hundred shares. So I bought in somewhere as the stock started to make new highs, but I didn't buy it too high because that would be like at the top of the channel. So let me just go over it a little bit. So this is actually highs for like a year. So it may even be all-time highs, although I haven't actually checked that yet. But as you can see, like there's these two lines, basically the rising resistance and the rising support. So I was watching this earlier in the week, and I could sort of see it was like starting to base at this line of support here. So when it started to make a move on Thursday above here, it's looking like it could quite easily continue up towards the 40 maybe. So that's kind of the price target I have for it. I really like trading these types of channels just because you have this really well-defined risk reward where if it breaks through this line at the moment it's just a bit about $26 per share. It really means that like you have this well-defined risk reward, so you're not left just being like, oh, I'll just hold it. If it breaks through that, I'm out. So if it closes below, even towards this slight moving average, I'd have to say, well, in the past, it's basically always bounced off the rising support. So I'd have to start getting a little nervous if it breaks down here. So I'm risking a couple of dollars here for potential upside of $10 per share. So I really like this, and I don't know if it's on your guys' radar, but thought I'd do this video quickly on it. You can see the RSI is also oversold, starting to curl up, which is a good sign. So every time it's done that in the past, it's started to make new highs, which is pretty cool. The volume's nothing to write home about. But the MACD is starting to curl up as well for a crossover again. This stock has been really reliable when the MACD crosses. It's just continuing up. So I have high hopes over the next few weeks for this one. I figured it'd be a nice stock for you guys to look at and see, and make your own decisions whether this channel might hold or if it'll break down. So the confirmation was also on the 15-minute here. So load up this. There we go. Um, yeah, so I basically entered about here, and you can see the TTM squeeze was on its way up. So I feel like I got a decent entry, around 26.5, but we'll have to watch this next week or so and see if it works out. So a little bit of a different video today. I finally got myself set up with a bit of software which allows me to record my webcam as well as my screen, so that's pretty cool. I've only been doing this for a year or so, so it's about time I actually got something set up that records me as well as my screen. And I hope you guys have a look at this trade, or maybe get an idea from these simple trending channels that tend to have a really high probability of working. So this is the style of trading I'm going to be focusing on over the next few weeks, and I think it's going to be a refreshing change from my crackhead day trading that I've been doing over the last 6 months. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will catch up with you guys later. Thanks.